Welcome to What Patrick Thinks. Today we're going to be taking a look at Super Mario, It's a Me Mario 12-inch action figure. If you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. And here we have a look at the figure and its packaging. On the front we have Super Mario, It's a Me Mario from Jakks Pacific. Also on the side here we have a portrait of the figure itself. At the top, on the bottom, a graphic of Mario, Super Mario. On the back, it has 30 plus Mario phrases, plus game sounds, and 15 points of articulation. Back on the side here, again, another portrait of Mario, and bottom, a graphic of Super Mario. Well, without further ado, let's get started and take a look at the figure. And here's Mario out of his packaging. Here's a view of the front, side, back, the other side, and back to the front. His overalls are made of fabric. The button here is plastic. Also, the side here where it's red is also plastic as well. The boots are plastic. Let's go around to the back here where the switch is. It is in, see if you guys can catch that a little bit. It is in Try Me mode, as you guys can see there. So we're going to go ahead and switch, has a Try Me mode, off switch, and an on switch. We're going to go ahead and switch it to on. I also wanted to point out over here, behind the head area here is the battery compartment to change out the batteries. Wanted to show you guys a closer look at the manual. Has Mario on the front there. Get a closer look inside. And there is the back area where the batteries go behind the head. You unscrew that back piece. It takes two AA batteries. This manual is in multiple languages as well. Wanted to show you guys the articulation. So he has articulation in the arm here. Kind of stops there, doesn't go 360. Elbow movement here, very nice. Pull that down. Again, same on the opposite side. Let's see if he can, again, it stops right there. Again, elbow movement here, very nice. The on the glove area, it is stationary. It does, these sections do not move. On the bottom here, he does have knee articulation. And over here, you can see it has some swivel to it. Again, on this side as well. Over here at near the joints, also moves. The head, also articulation in the head, left and right. As you can see, I think it's due to restrictions here where he cannot move his head 360 in this case. But yeah, he's great. This is absolutely, they knocked it out of, Jakks Pacific knocked it out of the park with this one. All right, I'm gonna bring Mario a little closer to the microphone. Now that Try Me mode has released the 30 plus additional phrases as well as game sounds. I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a demonstration of where those points are, where he starts to make these sounds. Over here where the M is on the hat. It's me, Mario. Over here on the glove area. See a little. You just press. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this one down. Now and over here on the feet. So again, you can go ahead again.
It's a go time! I did it! Alright! Yes!
Well, that's going to do it for Mario for today. But as you guys can see,
It's a go time!
yes, it is. He stands at 12 inches, and he is an excellent Mario figure in this case. He's a great addition to any Mario fan's collection, any Nintendo fan. So there you have it, Mario. It's a me, Mario. Well, that was my review for the Super Mario It's a Me Mario 12-inch action figure. If you're interested in picking one up, I do have an affiliate link in the description box down below. Well, thank you for watching What Patrick Thinks. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.